ready with me to meet a new TikTok friend. I'm so excited. So basically, me and this girl, we connected and she's so sweet. Turns out she lives in my area. That was not enough moisturizer. Anyway, turns out she lives in my area. She's my age and she is a content creator and she just hit 10K and I'm so proud of her. Anyways, we started chatting and she is literally so sweet. We've been trying to hang out for literally so long, but we've both just been like crazy busy. So now that we're both out of school, we're finally hanging out. Also, we're going shopping in an outdoor area and it's 95 degrees out. So I'm thinking very light makeup so that I don't sweat it all off. Okay, also please do not mind my hair because I need to do something with it. Okay, I was thinking I was gonna try like space buns, but I don't know how to do that. And all the tutorials seem like really complicated, especially because I have such like thin hair. My sister, who is currently home from college for the summer, knows how to do like cute like Dutch, French, like all those braids. I'm also kind of in a rush now because we moved up our like hangout time. But I'm so excited. Truly one of my favorite things about being a TikToker and growing a community is getting to meet all these new people. And especially getting to make new friends. I don't often get to hang out with other creators because nobody lives in my area. And oh my gosh, glitched out so hard. Holy guacamole. Okay, sorry about that. I'm wearing like a full gray outfit today too. It is like, I don't even know. But yeah, anyway, so as I was saying, I'm so excited. We've been trying to hang out for so long and I just know it's gonna be so much fun. Okay guys, I'm also kind of nervous. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much.